All of them could be upset if they want, but everyone knew this project was coming to an end. The letter clearly shows us that this project was coming to an end. This was recorded in September. The letter he speaks about is a letter from June 2022, in which they were notified that due to budget constraints, that EHAS will have to come to an end eventually. The budget went from 1-point-something million to 500,000. That's the cuts, and eventually has to come to an end. Here you have it right here. The persons acknowledge that from the beginning, they knew that it was a temporary project based on COVID, and acknowledge that the letter of June gave them advance time to look for something else. And he himself said, whoever is upset is crazy because we all knew. See, I'm not here to throw anyone under the bus, but my name is my name. My name is all I have. And when you try to defamation of character, I have to answer. I have to show that I in no form or means took advantage of anyone. Everyone on the EHAS signed. I have it here. They signed 2 days before me, was not forced. It's a mutual agreement of separation. The project is coming to an end. So while we speak on EHAS, as you know, as of October 15th, residents no longer required any sort of testing, whether vaccinated or not. As of November 1st, this would extend to everyone. So all visitors can enter St. Maarten with no test required, regardless of your vaccination status, as of November 1st. We intend to notify the public, the tourists, the visitors, that the information would be used for data purposes. And hopefully, with that, we can continue to accumulate more data and enhance our touristical destination. Data is very important.